retailers prepare to reopen a week from today, Mayor Caldwell is raising concerns the state has not taken enough precautions in case there's another surge. The mayor says the health department does not have nearly enough people trained for contact tracing if more people test positive. Manola Morales has more.
The mayor has sent a letter backed by 80 healthcare professionals to Governor David Ige, asking him to push the health department to train more contact tracers and allow the city to do its own testing. He adds that it should be done before reopening the economy.
It's kind of like building an airplane while you're flying. Highly risky and not recommended.
Caldwell says national health guidelines call for 30 contact tracers for every 100,000 residents. So Oahu, with more than 1 million residents, will need about 400 tracers.
And if we have visitors, as they used to come here, we're talking about 500 contact tracers. And we know that Department of Health is not even close to having that system in place.
The mayor's letter to the governor is asking him to push the health department to train more tracers, saying expanded contact tracing capacity needs to precede reopening to prevent explosive outbreaks as we reopen. But the health department says it's already training more people for contact tracing and will have the capacity to trace up to 920 people per day before any surge occurs.
920 people per day. That's as many as we can possibly imagine would happen given the limits of our healthcare system here.
DOH is also using software called HealthSpace, so Anderson says the estimates that the mayor is using does not apply in Hawaii.
We know what we require here in Hawaii. We have technologies now that were not considered in developing those estimates.
As for the city's request to do its own testing, Anderson says the state is already doing 1,000 a day, and if needed, can do 5,000 a day.
Capacity in testing is not an issue here. We've fortunately been able to work with the private sector and others to ramp up to be able to do the testing that we need to do.
The mayor says he still plans to allow retailers to open next Friday, but he'd feel better if DOH took the extra measures. Manola Morales, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.